Hey there, I'm Henry, and today I'm going to be showing you how to bulk edit your tasks in Reclaim. Bulk editing is live right now. It's our newest feature. It's probably one of our most requested features of all time, and you can go check it out if you're a Reclaim user. If you're not familiar with Reclaim or you're not familiar with how to use tasks in Reclaim, you can really think of Reclaim as an intelligent calendar assistant. We help you to kind of express your needs, tell us what you need to get done, and Reclaim takes care of all the hard parts of scheduling it, moving it when things come up, keeping it flexible so that your calendar isn't totally crammed with commitments and you can make room for important meetings. And tasks are a really great way in particular to tell Reclaim, like, hey, I need to get time for this thing before it's due, and I need this much time. Here's kind of the rough range that I want to get it done. And Reclaim just sort of automatically makes the time on your calendar and it adjusts it as things come up. And one feature that's come up a lot for tasks ever since we introduced it is, hey, I'd like a way to tell Reclaim when I want to make a lot of changes to tasks. And so I'm excited to announce that you can now do that. So you can see here, I've got my planner here. This is kind of my view of the calendar. I've got all my tasks over here that I'm trying to get done. But if I head over to the actual tasks interface, I get this nice clean list of all the tasks that I'm trying to get done. And you can see here, I've got a handful, here are the due dates and kind of when they're next scheduled and how much time I need for each of them. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take these two tasks, this project plan and demo task. And I'm going to go ahead and say, I actually really don't want to start working on these until like the 13th, the week of the 13th. And they're not due till the 24th. So I'm giving myself a pretty good range of time to get them done. And when I make these changes, you'll see here in a second, we're going to update, obviously, the due dates and end dates for these tasks. But additionally, you'll notice that when they're scheduled is going to change as well, right? So now when I look back at, my task list here, those tasks that I changed, the project plan and prepare for demo, that's not going to get scheduled until the 13th, right? That's my Tuesday. And so I can really make these like nice little adjustments to things like due dates. Another thing I can do is I can actually take an existing set of tasks and say, hey, I actually want to tweak the priority of these things. I want to say that these are actually like critical tasks. I need to make sure that they, more aggressively get defended on my calendar and take precedent over the lower priority stuff on my schedule. And so again, this is going to update how Reclaim schedules the tasks and how they get prioritized on my calendar. And then lastly, if I said, actually, I changed my mind, I'm going to go ahead and delete these tasks. I don't really need to spend time on them after all. I can just go ahead and delete them, and now they're gone. And then similarly, I'm like, I'm actually going to say that I finished these late last night. I'm going to mark this done. And now I've gotten all my tasks off my plate besides the ones that are up next. These are my hypercritical tasks that I want to spend time on. So this is a great way to start managing your tasks. We're really excited to introduce it to you, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.